This video is part of the EcoQuip 2 Dual-Line Vapor Abrasive Blast System video series. This video shows you how to winterize your system. If you plan on storing your system and there is a possibility of freezing temperatures during storage, you must winterize your system to avoid equipment damage. Please view the Drain the Pot video to make sure you begin this process with a fully drained pot. To start, drain the water tank if you have one. Then, disconnect the pump inlet hose and open the water tank valve. Drain the pump inlet hose and then insert it into a windshield washer fluid container. Be sure to choose windshield washer fluid that has a temperature rating for the lowest possible temperature in your area. If your system does not have a water tank, disconnect the water inlet regulator from the pump. Then install the winterizing tube and insert it into a container of windshield washer fluid. Close both abrasive metering valves, and then close both water dose metering valves. Hold the rinse hose over the pot and open the rinse ball valve. When windshield washer fluid comes out of the rinse hose, close the rinse ball valve. Turn the selector valve to wash. Verify that the internal wash tubing to both blast circuits is filled with windshield washer fluid. Turn the selector valve to off and open both water dose metering valves. Press and hold the winterization button and then turn the selector valve to blast. Make sure the internal wash tubing to both blast circuits is filled with windshield washer fluid. Release the winterization button and turn the selector valve to off. Then close both water dose metering valves. Open both abrasive metering valves and hold the winterization button down again. Then turn the selector valve to blast. Once the internal abrasive metering tubing is filled with windshield washer fluid, release the winterization button. When the water tubing to the pot is filled with windshield washer fluid, turn the selector valve to off. Close both abrasive metering valves. Now all water tubing in the system should be filled with windshield washer fluid. Engage the emergency stop and connect the pump inlet hose to the water tank valve. Then make sure the rinse ball valve and the water tank valve are both left open. It is very important to make sure all ball valves in the system are left open to prevent ice from forming behind the seals, which will damage the seals. Your EcoQuip 2 dual-line system is now ready for winter storage. If your system has a water tank, you may need to clean it occasionally. To clean the water tank, first relieve all pressure in the system by following the pressure relief procedure. Disconnect the water inlet hose and then open the water tank valve and drain the tank. Remove the tank drain and tank lid. Clean out the tank with a pressure washer. That's it. The water tank is now clean. See you in the spring.